Welcome to the Healthiest Mind and Body channel. Today, we're diving into an essential yet often overlooked aspect of overall well-being: rest and relaxation. In our fast-paced world, many people associate productivity with constant motion, but true success and wellness come from balance. Rest and relaxation are not signs of weakness or laziness. They are vital components of a healthy mind and body. When we rest, our bodies repair tissues, strengthen the immune system, and restore energy levels. Relaxation, on the other hand, calms the nervous system, reduces stress hormones like cortisol, and enhances mental clarity. Together, they improve focus, creativity, emotional regulation, and even longevity. Here are a few simple yet effective ways to incorporate rest and relaxation into your daily routine. Prioritize quality sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours each night. Establish a consistent bedtime and create a peaceful sleep environment. Practice mindful relaxation. Try deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to help quiet your mind and release tension. Take micro breaks. Step away from your desk, stretch, or take a short walk. Small pauses can rejuvenate your focus and productivity. Disconnect to reconnect. Limit screen time and spend a few minutes in silence or nature to recharge your mental energy. Engage in enjoyable activities. Read, listen to music, or enjoy a hobby that brings you joy and peace. Remember, rest is not a luxury, it's a necessity. By embracing moments of calm, you give your body and mind the opportunity to function at their best. So today, take a moment to breathe deeply, slow down, and honor your need for rest. Because the healthiest version of you begins with balance. Stay tuned to the Healthiest Mind and Body channel for more insights on nurturing your mental and physical well-being.